Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. Didn't know that love would change ya, and I woke up to a stranger. After all this time I thought that I knew, but when I was no debating. So in today's video we will be reviewing and doing a wear test of One Size Beauty's new Secure the Sweat primer. So I'm gonna show you guys how it applies. We're gonna do my face and we're gonna wear it for 12 hours, about 12 hours, to see how it truly performs. So y'all ready for this tea? Are y'all ready for this tea? Because the girls been raving about it, and y'all know me, anything that is raved about, I have to get my hands on it and try it out and give y'all the real deal. So if you guys want to see a true, honest, genuine review of this product, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are growing and glowing, as y'all can see, and I will here for you guys to miss this. So make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button down below and join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I just got a package in the mail, super excited, and had to come on here to share my first impressions, first thoughts, first application, first everything with you guys, because I promised y'all this. So, and I'm excited. So I was just like, let me share it with you guys so y'all can get the real deal of what we're dealing with, okay? So the item that came today is from One Size Beauty, and this is their Secure the Sweat Mattifying Primer. It is officially like summertime in Houston. It's given 80 degrees, okay? So I picked up this primer because one concern that I have with my makeup, especially when it gets like warmer outside, is that it doesn't last as long as I want it to, okay? When I'm out having my hot girl summer, enjoying my hot girl nights, my hot girl days, I don't want there to be any expiration date on my makeup, and I feel like this primer, as it is described, can help us with that. But we're gonna put it to the test today and see what it's all about. But before we get into the demo and the application, I wanted to give you guys some details about this product. One Size Beauty's Secure the Sweat Waterproof Mattifying Primer retails for $34 and comes with 1 ounce/30 grams of product. Currently, this product is only available online at Sephora, and it is described to be good for pores, waterproof, long wearing, good for all skin types, oily, combo, and normal, and cruelty-free. This primer is formulated with 3 main ingredients. The first one is bamboo marrow powder, which is great for absorbing excess sweat and oil. Horsetail and sage extracts, which also absorb excess sweat and tighten the look of pores. And the last main ingredient of this product is squalene, which prevents dry skin. We're just gonna get right into it, okay? We're gonna get right into it and see what it's hitting for. So let us pray for the best. So I took this much primer. This is how much primer I typically use. So I'm trying to keep everything consistent so we can get a true depiction of what she is hitting for. So I do have acne prone skin, as I mentioned. So not only is this a demo and a trial, but we're gonna see if it is acne skin friendly. So I'm just gonna work it in. So here's how my skin looks after I put the primer on. I feel like it did control my glow, aka sweat, a little bit, so love that. But yeah, my face doesn't feel super sticky at all, which I love, because that's one of my biggest fears when it comes to primers. I'm like, I do not want my face to feel sticky, so I went ahead and put that on. Now I'm gonna do my makeup routine as I usually do. So I'm gonna use the same products, the same steps, same everything, so that we are sure we monitor the performance of this primer. If you guys want specific details on how I do my makeup, I will link my most updated everyday makeup tutorial so you guys can see the products I'm using and the steps that I follow. But I'm just going to speed past this part so that we could get into the fun stuff. So I know I wanted to comment. I feel like my complexion is hitting way different today. The only thing we changed is the primer. I feel like everything is like sticky more, if that makes sense. Like I can literally see the product like seep into my face. So we love that. Let me zoom in so y'all can see what I'm saying. Like, I'm not done blending yet, but can y'all see what I'm saying? Like everything is just like seeped into my skin. Secure, locked in, up in the stuck. Love that. Ooh, let me find out we have a new banger for the summertime. Let me find out we have a new assist on the hot girl team. I cannot wait to finish getting ready because I would look so cute. House on the coast, G. My money so long it doesn't know me. It's looking at my kids like I'm Mosey. Hey, yo, Sean. Hey. So when me spitty bunny with it, maybe gala get with it. Spitty bunny with it, maybe gala get. When me choppy bunny with it, maybe gala get with it. Wind up your body and spin it. Girl, when you bubble out of trouble, why you give me this something now? Turn it around and bring it. You're pressing it back on and on. If you push that button, my girl, don't bother go and timid. Once you broke out and fling it. Once your body shaking up to the limit. Once you wild out to wild it to S to the base. Step London and mid and edge it. Is it? Bossy. I came to rap, you know, do my thing. Sabi put me on the gram, you know, remix thing. Whole time while with the Pacino. So the face is done. How was it looking? Literally took me less than 10 minutes to do this whole face, and I just did mascara. I opted for no lashes today because it was simple. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready, and then I'll show you guys like the final look so y'all can see how cute I get, because y'all probably like, girl, what is going on? But it's okay, give me a second. So I promise you guys I'm not crusty. So this is the final look. Makeup on fleek, okay? I feel like my face looks super good today. I don't know if it's because I took my time, or I don't know if it's because of this primer, but we're gonna put her to the test. So I'm gonna do a wear test as well. The time is currently 3:40. Yes, my phone is a military sound, don't ask no questions. But the time is currently 3:40. I'm gonna see what time I end up getting inside. But as I'm outside, I'm not going to blot, I'm not going to refresh, I'm not gonna do anything. All I'm carrying is my lippy, nothing for my face. So we're gonna see, but I'll see you guys a little later. Hey my love, so I just got home. The time is currently basically 2 a.m. And I wanted to give you guys an update on my makeup. So I had this makeup on with no blotting for just about 12 hours, and I don't think it's too bad. Like, I don't think it's too bad. You know, the shine is coming through a little bit, but I am in, you know, hot Houston weather, and it's been 12 hours. So I think that this is not bad for 12 hours of wear. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. But I'm not mad at it. I'm really not mad at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blot my face a little. I did notice that under my eyes, I don't know if you guys can see, my makeup did separate a little bit. I'm not sure what that's due to, but I just wanted to point that out because that usually doesn't happen. So I don't know if I didn't bring a primer in enough or what, but I'm just blotting my face using my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. And we are looking good as new, okay? So overall, I think that this primer is definitely going to be my go-to for this spring and summer season. I feel like all of the claims were met. The fact that I wore this for 12 hours and my face still looked freaking good, I'm freaking happy about. So if you guys are interested in picking this primer up, I would highly recommend to try to get it during the Sephora savings event, which should be still going on in the time this video goes live. So add it to cart, check out, and thank me later. Hey my loves, I just wanted to pop in and say that I would highly recommend, okay, I had to come back and emphasize it. I would highly recommend you guys pick up this primer during Sephora's spring savings event. I actually included it on my Sephora spring savings event wish list. If you guys want to see that video of products that I plan on picking up, as well as other recommendations I have for you all, make sure you guys go ahead and check out that video. I will have it linked up above as well as down below. So yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10 so far. I'll give you guys updates throughout my weekly vlogs if I notice anything, but I am in love. I'm impressed. Like, usually my face is sliding off by the time I get home, and it was still intact, so I love it so far. First impressions, 10 out of 10. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found this review helpful. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have any further questions, comments, or concerns. Let me know if you guys plan on picking this primer up. The link for this item will be down below, so when you guys shop through that link, your girl makes a little coin. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Tell me, was it all a lie? I'm confused. Then you say what I